Hi, I'm Steven. I'm a Writing Center tutor here at SC4, and I just wanted to inform you that even though the school is closed because of COVID-19, the Writing Center will continue to offer free writing assistance, but we've moved all of our services online. So this quick video is just a tutorial about how to access our online services. First of all, if you go to your student portal under campus announcements, there's an announcement here that says Achievement Center now using Microsoft Teams for online tutoring. And if you click on this link, it'll take you to a page that has some more info about how we're offering online tutoring. And then this link is to a PDF that has some helpful information, including all of our tutors' email addresses and hours, so you can know when you can contact us. So you can submit a paper to the Writing Center using our online submission process. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that. First of all, you're going to want to locate the SC4 library homepage. So I just typed in to Google SC4 library, and it's the first result here. And so you're looking for a link here that says Writing Center. That makes sense. And then you're going to want to hit submit your paper to the Writing Center. And this will take you to our online submission page. So we just have a few things. We'll need just your name and email so we can be in contact with you. And then your primary feedback request is what you want us to take a look at, that you think needs work most. And this will just be really helpful for us to know what to help you with. And then if you want some additional feedback, this will also be helpful. Your instructor, and then also just describe your assignment and what are you required to include, just so we can help you in the best way possible. Then upload your paper and submit it. And then you can expect a 2-day turnaround. So when we receive your paper, you can expect it back in at max 2 days. You'll probably get it back faster than that, but 2 days is what you should expect. So if you submit your paper, 5 hours before it's due, don't expect it back in time. The next option you have for free tutoring is a one-on-one video conference call with a tutor that you can access using Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to show you where Microsoft Teams is located. And this is located on your Office 365 dashboard, which you have if you are a student. So I'm going to show you how to access that. If you go to Microsoft Office Sign-In, and I just type that into Google, the first result should take you where you want to go. If you sign in here, you're going to use your student email, which you have if you are a student, and then your password is whatever you used to get into the portal. And this will take you to your dashboard. So you have access to a number of things. This is your student email here, Word, Excel, and etc. But you also have access here to Teams. So when you open Teams, it'll take you to your dashboard. And once you've been in communication with a tutor, we'll set up a time where we will call you on Microsoft Teams to have a one-on-one video conferencing call. So you'll see this call pop up on your screen if you're on the Microsoft Teams app at the scheduled time. So those are our two options, and I definitely recommend this one more than the online submission process, just because it's helpful to have one-on-one conversation rather than over email. So stay healthy, and we hope to talk to you soon.